Okay, so this is the front yard of Callie. As you can see, it's not very presentable. This area out here is where the septic is. It looks like a lot of the bahia is starting to come back, which is nice. We'll just need to seed it to ensure. I'll walk around the side of the house. Sorry for the wind. This is the backyard. As you can see, you got a pretty nice view for Orlando. Our idea here is to put a little fenced in area right here of white pickets. It's about 60 linear feet is all. It's not anything major, just around this area, and then we'll make this whole area in here very nice. It'll go basically from the edge of this patio to just on the other side of this door. And again, I'm actually kind of encouraged how a lot of the bahia seems to be coming back with the rain we've had and the watering we've been doing. On this side, as you can see, it's just a mess. This view is the main view that people see when they're driving up this road. So the first thing you see is this panel box and this here. So we're going to put a little 6 foot high fence, about 20 total linear feet right here, to hide this. It will hide our trash cans, it'll hide our electrical panel. It will make this much more presentable. And then we're going to put some plants and some bushes along this edge of this house, so that again, the curb appeal coming up this road, which is the main road you access to get to this house. And here's some of the materials that we've already purchased. Again, this little white picket fence. Those are the fence panels for the side of the house. And then this, I've got the seed right there for the bahia. New sink for the kitchen. Yeah, so walking through here, again, this is the garage. Not a whole lot to do in here. We just need to clean it up and repaint the floor. Laundry room, put a new light in. Here in the kitchen, as you can see, we've taken the cabinets out. This is the soffit that I talked about right here. We were going to open this all up, but there's utilities running through this. So we went ahead and just put some lighting in it, put some can lighting in the ceiling, which is already in. And the cabinets have been ordered and they will be here tomorrow. So, got to put the flooring down first. This is the living room, the dining room. These are our 2 bedrooms here and here. Good sized bedrooms. This is our guest bathroom. Again, this is the one I took down to the studs because the bathtub was just a mess. And we'll walk over to this side of the house. And this is the master bedroom. A little vaulted ceiling, which is nice. And then again, this is the master bath, shower, and then toilets in the back room there. And here's that tub I was talking about that we're not going to really do anything with. But as you can see, we've got to move some of those utilities because they're absolutely, I don't know how they made them work where they were before.
So I like to start fresh. Unlike probably most people, I hate cleaning everything the night before because I'm so tired. I just put it in a bucket with paint cleaner and then I do all of the cleaning in the morning. So then I can start nice and fresh. So here we go. So far what we've done is we've installed new floors. This was the original paint. Well, not original, but the paint that was here when we started our fixing. And this is still the same front door. We took all the baseboards off and added these 5-inch baseboards, make it look a lot more modern. Excuse me, I gotta sneeze. Never mind. Anyway, so everything in this house was this color, like this. It wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't the whole house. The whole house was this color, and it just kind of looked dingy. So right now I'm working on painting and lightening up some areas without spending a lot of extra money on paint. We do mix paint, we go to Wonder Paints, we try not to buy just from the package store because it's super expensive to do that. But we still use high quality paint, we just have our little ways of doing that. Next we're going to possibly replace or clean blinds when we can. On a typical, like a more upscale remodel, we would replace these with faux wood blinds. But we have to keep this one in perspective because it is not in a very affluent area, and we don't want to over improve. Anyway, so here we have the master bedroom. We're going to keep this the same color. We kept the tile. This was here already. In this room there was laminate floor, and then in the bathroom there was white 6-inch tile. So it was just kind of a mishmash of floors, but now we went ahead and picked out this beautiful, I mean, really, I just love it. It's a luxury vinyl plank, and it's a color we haven't used before. It's a little dusty right now, but it was good as far as being able to pull together the different colors of the tile and modern kind of color schemes that I would be going with in some of the painting. I'm not going crazy with paint like I normally do. This is like the boldest I've done, and it's just one wall in a bathroom, actually 2 walls. It's like a dark blue-gray. And then we have this vanity that we're gonna put in there. So I wanted it in white, but they didn't have it. So that's why I kind of had to go with a darker color in here so that there was a contrast. And over here, so I painted this wall white, and that made the biggest difference. Our backyard is what's the best. Like right now, oh, it's just such an improvement. It actually has a little view. It's actually inviting. It's amazing what we've done there. That's my favorite part of our improvements. We are obviously redoing the kitchen. We're gonna put in white quartz. It's the most affordable quartz, but it's also gonna look really good because we have the white cabinets, and it's now less brown, less yellow. Because I painted all of this white, I still have to touch everything up, but it's just making it more light and airy. I'm gonna put a cute little round pedestal table here. Trying to do kind of mid-century modern, not overdo it because it's not a mid-century modern house, but just to kind of give it a modern touch, and because I actually fell in love with this vanity, and so I had to kind of work around everything in the house around it. But this vanity is going to have a white marble or a quartz top, and it's got a countertop sink and black faucets. It's just going to look really good. So hopefully, anyway, with that said, this is the bathroom that we're going to put it in. So I just went with white so that it really was the showpiece of the bathroom. We're going to do white tiles, etc. We'll see it when it's done. And then these bedrooms are just typical bedrooms, and we're not doing anything here. We just replaced closet doors, cleaning up the floors, the walls, and that would be it. So I guess that's our update. We added lights, which makes a big difference. All these hand lights here, and we put them up here too, so the house is much brighter. This one's not working yet, but we'll show you when it's all done. We also cleaned up here, hit the bushes, put this little fence. More bushes. Look at this. This is my favorite. It is just so cute. We made a backyard. Oh. You can sit out here with your little dog and your kids in their kiddie pool and watch the sunset. I mean, it's beautiful.